All right, students. So this week we're going to be working on the Pythagorean theorem, but we're going to be reading and working with word problems. So remember, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. C will be your hypotenuse, which is the longest side, the one opposite to the right angle. Okay. All right. So the first thing that I want to make sure I do here is definitely draw a picture. So when you draw a picture, you see what sides are you looking for? So what is the side that you're looking for? If you don't draw a picture, it would be hard to notice if you're looking for the C square or B or A or anything. So please keep that in mind, okay? So let's read it. So it says the bottom of a ladder must be placed 3 feet away from a wall. The ladder is 12 feet long. How far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? So we have, this is the wall, right? And then this, it could be the ladder right here, okay? Against the wall, right? Something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. It says the ladder is 12 feet long. So this is 12 feet, right? Because that's how long it is. And then how far above. So what is saying here, it says that the bottom of the ladder must be placed 3 feet from the wall. So this is actually 3 feet here. So the bottom right here, it's placed 3 feet away from the wall. So you're looking for how far above. So how, right here, what is this measurement? So it's a leg, right? So in a squared plus b squared equals c squared, you have 12, right? You're looking for either A or B. They could be A, these could be B. Then we have a squared plus 3 squared. And then you just solve. So that is a squared plus 9 equals 144. And then subtract 9 from both sides. That goes away. We have a squared equals 144 minus 9. And then you take the square root. Let me take the square root of that. So remember to use your calculator for this. It's the easiest way, right? So 144 minus 9, and then take the square root of that. It's 11.6. Let's put 11.6. Approximately feet, right? All right. Okay, so let's do another one. So it says a soccer field is a rectangle 90 meters wide and 120 meters long. All right, so this is a rectangle, kind of, right? And it's long. It's 120 meters long, and wide it's 90 meters. So then it says the coach asks players to run from one corner to the other corner diagonally on this field. So guess what you're looking for? You're looking for C. All right. So usually the word diagonal right here tells you that you're going to be looking for C squared. So let's do that. So we have 90 squared plus 120 squared equals C squared. Let's put that in the calculator. 90 squared plus 120 squared equals, and then take the square root. That's 150. So C equals 150. So this is 150. Does it make sense? Yes, it's bigger than both. That's good. All right. Okay. Let's do another one. So how far from the base of the house do you need to place a 15-inch ladder? So feet ladder, so that it exactly reaches the top of a 12 feet wall. So this is 12 feet. And then this is the ladder that is 15 feet. And then they're asking you for how far away you have to place it. So imagine this is the ladder, right? They're asking you, so how far away you have to place it against the wall. So how far? Are you gonna place it closer or what? That's what they're asking you. So this could be A, this could be B, this is definitely C. So let's do that. So we have 12 squared plus B squared equals 15 squared. Remember, A and B can be either or, it doesn't matter, right? All right, so that's 144 plus B squared equals 225. And then 225 minus 144, that's 81. B squared equals 81. And then take the square root, B equals 9. So 9 feet is the answer. Whoops, 9 feet. Okay, or you can just write it. This one is meters, right? Okay. All right, let's do another one. So what is the length of the diagonal? Remember what I said about diagonal? Well, that's definitely C. So when you see this word diagonal, it's definitely C. Same thing with hypotenuse. That is also C. So we have a rectangle that is 15 by 10 or whatever, the other way around, centimeters, and then they're asking for the diagonal. So that's 10 squared plus 15 squared equals C squared, and then 100 plus 225, C squared, that's 325, C squared, and then you take the square root of 325. It's 18.3. approximately centimeters. Okay. Now remember, when you use word problems, you have to be able to write the unit, right? Because a number doesn't mean anything; it has a context, right? All right, this is the same thing as this one, but here you're not looking for C. You have the diagonal. So let me just set it up for you guys here. So if the diagonal is 25, what is the width? So you have 15 here, and you're looking for this one. Inches, right? So then A squared, so you have either A or B, so that's 15 squared plus B squared equals 25 squared. And then you subtract on this one, right? All right, I hope this helps everybody. Make sure to draw it.